To create a quote for a project, head over to your Opportunities page, select the project needing a quote, and click on Quotes. Create new quote, or you can adjust an existing quote, but we'll create a new quote. Attach to a layout. If you have adders, you can itemize them in this menu, which we'll cover in a different video. You can set a per watt sale price or a total. I'll do a per watt sale price. You can add a cash payment or a loan payment. We'll start with a loan payment. For example purposes, I only have dividend and a few loan options selected, but we have a whole library of lenders and loan options, some of which are fully integrated, always up to date, and including the dealer fee. But since I don't know what it is, and this is just an example, let's say there's a 0% dealer fee on this. You can also set your red line. As an example, let's say you've got a $1 red line. And if you have visibility, it will show you your net income. Here, you would be able to check on the loan status and documents of our integrated loan partners. However, Dividend is not currently integrated, unlike, for example, GoodLeave. Now we'll remove this loan payment and do a cash payment. You can enter the amount. You can always do split financing. You can have multiple loans. You can do cash and loan. As long as your financer and installer will allow it, you can do it in gigawatt. Let's say they've got a 50-40-10, or you can set a custom. This will populate the billing schedule. You can always customize these, add more, remove them, etc. The Incentives tab will show you the solar income tax credit. If they're paying the full amount back into their loan, it'll be 30%. But this is, of course, customizable. Maybe they don't want to pay the full thing. Maybe they don't qualify. There are a number of factors. If you happen to know of a state incentive, you can always include that here. Save your quote, and you can use the Proposal tab to open the proposal in a new window, or download a PDF of your proposal, as well as copy a link to send to your customer or anyone else that may need to see the proposal. You can add slides, load a template if you have one created, as well as on-the-fly customize by selecting which slides to include or not include, as well as the order in which they appear. On the Documents tab, you can create documents, which is covered in another video, and the Status tab will show you the status of your proposal, which you can set manually and will update once you've sent the quote and it has been signed, sent, accepted. Save, and it will prompt you to send your quote to the customer. As you can see, the status changed to sent, and once the customer accepts, it will change to accepted. Now you can close that and work on something else while you wait for your customer to accept the quote.